processing time. Hey, good morning. How are you doing? Hopefully you're doing well. We're headed into the weekend, and it's going to be very typical for August. It is going to be hot. I don't think we're going to see any rain this weekend. Next 14 days is going to be seasonably hot. The average high for this time of the year is 97, so highs will be 99, near 100. This weekend, 98, 97. Hot, mainly rain-free. Early next week, slight chance for some showers. At this point, looks pretty slight. I'd say 10 to 20%, something like that. Over the weekend, 98 on Saturday, 97 Sunday, and then I think we'll have just a string of 97s with heat index values close to 100. And again, the average high for this time of the year, right at 97, so right where we should be. I mean, it's August, it should be hot. Temperature 81 degrees, record low 69, record high 105. You know, we had a real string of hot weather back in 2023, and we have very few clouds in the sky. We've got high pressure that's dominating, and it's going to be hot and pretty much cloud free. You need to know where the sunscreen is. All right, highs close to 100 with that average 97. Sunshine. If you're doing anything on this Friday night, temperatures will be in the 90s out there this evening. All right, the reason it's been seasonably hot is we've got this ridge of high pressure that's centered over New Mexico. Boy, out there around Salt Lake City, it's been hot lately. Denver, I think Denver hit 97 yesterday, probably the same today. It's all because of that upper level ridge of high pressure. Now, what is going to happen with this ridge with time? Well, I think it's actually going to break down. Let's take a look at some of these temperatures across the country real quick. Let's see. Highs today, again, close to 100. Dallas, Fort Worth, about 101. Wichita, Kansas, 102. Denver, 96. Salt Lake City is going to cool down a little bit. Highs today will be in the mid-80s, but that's pretty hot out there around Denver with that high in the mid to upper 90s. About kind of close to what we've got, not quite. But the upper level ridge does break down with time. I think Sunday there could be a few showers, but if there are, they'll be kind of closer to the coast, some of our eastern counties. But look at Monday, in between two highs. The high not right on top of us, but in between the two highs. That allows for daytime heating to do its thing, work with the moisture, get a few clouds going, and some showers. Again, I'm not expecting a whole lot. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then I think eventually that upper level high builds in. Okay, I got a joke. I think we got a joke, or maybe David's just going to tell me something. We got David Bellis. Did you hear about the thief who stole all the new toilets at the police headquarters downtown? Oh no, this is one where I got to see more here. Okay, let's got to start this one over. All right, did you hear about the thief who stole all the new toilets at the police headquarters downtown? So far, the thief is sitting flush, but the police spokesman said they still have nothing to go on. Love it. Very funny, David. always good, David, always good. Okay, let's take a look at the future cast and what I'm expecting as we head into the next several days. Highs today, near 100. You could flip a coin. It's either going to be 99 or it's going to be 100. It's going to be either one. And then tomorrow we'll see a high in the upper 90s, 98, 99. Saturday there could be a few showers around Beeville, Victoria, maybe Hallettsville. And let's go ahead and let's go to Sunday here. 97, and then Sunday, I think eastern counties, you'll likely have a chance for a shower eastern counties there. If you're going to the coast, by the way, there could be a morning shower, but I'm expecting pretty decent weather along the coastal sections. Hey, let's talk tropics real quick. There's a 20% chance of development off the east coast, about a 40 to 50% chance with a system in the middle of the Atlantic, but I'm going to be watching the coast of Africa. Here's a reason why you watch these, because I'm going to say something that I wouldn't say on TV. The computer models, the global models, have been pretty consistent in getting, see all that thunderstorm activity there off of Africa? Taking it and not developing it initially because it's so early for the Cape Verde season, but once it gets into the Caribbean or close to the Caribbean, developing into probably a named storm. It's going to be really hard to tell exactly. It just depends on how strong the high is to the north. Right now, I think it's possible something could develop. I'm talking about like the 20th, the 20 to the 22nd, 23rd, something like that. Maybe eastern Gulf of Mexico, Florida, East Coast. If the high is really strong, could get into the southern Gulf. But right now, it's going to be so hard to tell. But just keep your eyes open for the 20th through the 23rd, somewhere in that time frame, somewhere along the greater Antilles, Bahamas, Florida, somewhere in that general vicinity around the 20th or so. Anyway, that's what I'll be watching. Okay, let's go to the 14-day forecast real quick here. High temperatures today, 99. Tomorrow, 98. 97 on Sunday. Upper 90s through Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Just about every day about the same. Isolated chance for showers. Heat index around 90. And then the following week, high temperatures continue to be in the upper 90s. All right. Have a great weekend. Be safe. And go to KENS 5 Plus for any updates. Okay. All right. We'll see you later.